Hey everyone, this is Kim at Her Family Farm in Cumbie, Texas, and I'm here tonight with Tess's 2025 Catahoula puppies. This is male number 1, and he is a beautiful gold. He's more gold than he is tan. It's really hard to get all the colors right because they have puppy fur. There's different lighting. They can change colors, but right now he is a beautiful, like gold colored Catahoula with glass eyes. He has some freckles on him, some little leopard spots. And baby, what happened? Did you just get some dust in your eyes? We just had a great big wind that came in and blew up a whole bunch of stuff in the barn. Did you just get dust in your eyes? Puppy, 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 puppy. You okay? Are you okay, baby? Oh. And he's got a long tail. And this guy is just happy no matter what. Puppy, 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 puppy. He has just been such a trooper. It is so hot. And he's just such a good boy. So this is male number 1.